My name is Atifa Robinson, and I am the Vice President of the NAACP. In my past role as a community advocate, I was able to work with mothers, fathers, and families, and to teach them how to utilize health resources in the community where they could, go to doctor visits, improve their access to health care, eat healthy, and navigate the system the proper way. I would navigate families through different community resources around housing, transportation, access to health care, and then making sure that they were able to be economically stable. What I learned is that a lot of people weren't aware that African American faced a lot of disparities. It highlighted a problem that we needed to improve how we access resources in our community, how we provide resources, and we needed more medical providers that looked like us. There were mothers who were navigated to wrong places. They had horrible experiences in the system, and that we needed to work with legislation to change policies around maternal child health. In my current role, we talk about health and well-being and nutrition. And so we're out there educating people through the COVID pandemic about where the food banks are and how they can eat healthy at a cost-effective way. And one of the reasons why I wanted to get vaccinated was to increase my chance of survival. Those who don't know, I had a low immunity rate growing up as a child, and I would get everything. Getting that vaccination early helped me to build up the antibodies that I need in order to survive during the pandemic. Secondly, I wanted to protect my children and other vulnerable populations who were not able to get vaccinated during the pandemic. I work in some places in hospital systems where you will have seniors who had pre-existing conditions and they weren't able to get vaccinated. So by me doing my part, I was able to help them stay safe during that pandemic. And lastly, as an African American or Black individual, I wanted to bridge that racial disparity gap that we see in the medical system. Historically, we know that there is a lack of trust from our community. They do not trust the medical system because in the past, they did not always receive the appropriate care. I felt like if I got out there and I took that charge to teach people how to advocate for their health, maybe they'll be more proactive and advocate for their health as well. One of the reasons why I think that getting the booster would be a critical element, because what people don't know, getting that booster will help you to build up more antibodies. A lot of people assume that just by getting COVID, you'll build up antibodies, but what I've learned that by getting vaccinated, getting that booster will help you fight against COVID, give you a better chance to fight against the different variants that are out there. If you have any questions about the vaccination, please talk to your medical provider. And if you are medically able, make sure that you get that vaccine. My recommendation would be stay active, be proactive, and get vaccinated. Choose life and promote health.